Rich here with the Fireplace by Magic Touch. I'm in our Fireplace showroom in downtown Mesa, Arizona, sitting in front of the Napoleon Astound Flex Mount. This is a unique fireplace in the electric fireplace space for several reasons. First off, the name Flex Mount. Basically, we have a three-sided bay style fireplace. So we have two open glass sides on either end. You can also set this up two-sided, looking down one side, straight on. You could have it flush mounted in a wall with a frame or frameless, so you just see glass if you want to flush mount it. Another really cool feature is the front glass is made to come down. So basically you can drop the front glass and you can change your media. Say you want to put Christmas ornaments in it for the holiday season or Halloween decorations, what have you. You really can put whatever you want inside it and get to it very easy. This electric fireplace has a lot of features with regards to colors, flame style, etc. So with our ember bed, we can change our ember bed colors, the lighting from underneath, a plethora of options. Same thing with our down lighting, shining down on the rocks. Right now, as you see, I have it slowly rotating through different down lighting colors, and you could configure it like this in your own home. You can just have the ember bed lighting or the down lighting on and have your flame off for a night light effect. You can have your down lighting and your ember bed shut off for just the flames. It does come with a Wi-Fi app. You can change the flame speeds. You can change it to just yellow flames, a combo like we have here of yellow and orange, or just orange. It's got Google Home or Alexa voice control built in. It has this flame effect with spark technology where we see some little embers. One of the standout features of this, besides the front flip down glass, the multiple mounting options, is a very tall viewing area. We'll get a better look at it in the light, but we have 17.5-inch viewing area from our bottom of our glass to our top of our glass. So it's a very tall linear fireplace. We describe it as a hybrid electric because it's got a very tall viewing area, like a traditional square-shaped fireplace. But again, you can go all the way to 96 inches. It's Napoleon. So it comes with a 5-year warranty. They're a well-known, established brand in the fireplace industry, both electric and gas. One of the things that stands out about this is the price point for the quality of the fireplace you get with the flex options. We have other wall mount capable fireplaces in our showroom here that start at only a few $100s, several of them from Napoleon. But you don't get this kind of viewing area, this kind of length in that price point with something you're gonna see, say, on Amazon or Temu or what have you. This is Napoleon, it's a great brand. So to get in that sub $3,000 range for fireplaces this size, with this quality, with a great warranty, is not easily done. Again, a lot of features and a lot of customizable options in the Napoleon Flex Mount that you really can't get with other fireplaces. Let's take a closer look at this with the lights on. This is the 50-inch three-sided fireplace. You have these finished edges if you just want it mounted to the wall. And then if we creep in from the side, you get these side views here. Let's say you wanted this flush mounted in a wall. You have a trim kit that's going to complete this, or without that frame and glass top to bottom in your wall. If you wanted to just blank off one side, let's say you're in a room and you're walking up on it this way and you just want one side showing, you can blank off the other side. Let me give you a better look at the inside of this guy here. We have it rotating through the different colors. Let's take a look at our remote control. So we have our power button, we have our heat function, we have a full display here. You can control your temperature, you got a timer, you can go up and down through functions. You have a efficient mode here, your red or orange flame colors that you then change with your up or down. You have flame speeds you can change up or down. You have your ember bed colors that, again, there's different colors on here. You have your down lighting over here, and then you have your brightness. You could shut your flames off. Again, very nice fireplace for the price point. I'll give you a look at that again. They didn't have the 96 when we put this in the showroom not too long ago, but here's the 50-inch we have here. And you can see you could get all the way up to 74-inch, so over a 6-foot long fireplace for sub $3,000. Not easy to accomplish with something that's got a 17.5 height viewing area, 3-sided, can be wall mounted, can be flush mount, includes a cord, heats up to 10,000 BTUs. So something to consider if you're looking for something with a real tall viewing area and you just want to mount it to a wall. The Napoleon Astound Flex Mount, we give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. If you want to see other reviews, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We appreciate you.